Imagine being able to ask anything without ever leaving your spreadsheet. Whether you want to analyze your data, get flight information, draft an email, or even ask about the best football player. The AI.ASK function is just one of 8 game-changing AI tools that turn Excel into a powerhouse. Let's get into it. When you type equals AI dot, you see 8 functions appearing in the IntelliSense list. At first glance, they look like native Excel functions. They appear in the formula bar, support autocomplete, can be copied down, and return results directly into cells. These are not native Excel functions. These functions are provided by the ChatGPT Excel add-in. To get these functions, on the right side of the Home tab, you click on Add-ins. You search for ChatGPT for Excel, and when you get results, click on Add. I already have it, so I don't need to add it anymore. In this example, I have a list that shows a manager, a region, a product, and an amount. And I want to know the name of the manager having the highest total amount, and what is that total amount. Then in cell G3, I'm going to create an AI.ASK function, equal AI.ASK. I could type my prompt in double quotations, but better type it in a separate cell and click on that cell so it will be easy to modify it at any time. I type a comma, it asks me about the range, and I'm going to select the entire range from A1 to D11. I close the bracket and then hit enter. It shows busy. And now I get the result. The manager with the highest total amount is Omar, with a total amount of 2,110. Wonderful. I want to know the travel time between Toronto, Canada and Miami, Florida. So I'm going to use an AI.ASK function. I click on the cell having my prompt, and I close the bracket, and I hit enter. The average flight time from Toronto, Canada to Miami, Florida is approximately 3 to 3.5 hours. Wonderful. I want to write an email to HR requesting to book a 3-day vacations from July 14th to 16th and mentioning that I have already discussed it with my manager. That can also be done with an AI.ASK. Equal AI.ASK. I click on the prompt, I close the bracket, and hit enter. Et voila! Here is the email created in a twinkling of an eye. I'm eager to know who is the best football player in Africa. I need only one. So I use the AI.ASK. I click on my prompt, I close the bracket, and I hit enter. So the best football player is Mo Salah, the Egyptian king. That was the AI.ASK function. Stay tuned for upcoming tutorials about other magical AI functions. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.